It starts on an ordinary evening. You're sitting at home, the TV is on, the phone is glowing, and a commercial plays. The AI revolution is here. You smile. Another buzzword, another trend. You scroll past it, half listening, until something catches your attention. The commercial isn't about robots. It's about your job. It shows writers being replaced by ChatGPT, artists outpaced by image generators, accountants using automated reports. For a moment, you freeze. You realize it's not about the future anymore. It's about now. The quiet question sneaks in. What if my job is next? And that's when it hits you. This isn't just another tech wave. This is a turning point in human history. But here's what no one tells you. Every time machines took over tasks, humans found something greater to do. When electricity killed the lamplighter, we invented entire industries. When computers killed typists, we created the digital economy. Now, AI isn't just replacing hands or memory, it's replacing patterns. It learns how we think, how we move, how we talk, how we dream. But it still can't learn one thing. Why? That question, why, is the one thing that makes us human. And that's where your advantage lies. Because AI may be powerful, but it has no purpose until you give it one. If you like ideas that make the future simple, hit subscribe. It's free. It keeps you one step ahead while the world changes faster than ever. Because this isn't a story about technology, it's a story about you. And what you do next will decide whether you're replaced or reborn.
This time, it's different. Not because of the technology, but because of the speed. In every other revolution, humanity had time to adapt. When electricity arrived, it took nearly half a century to reach 1 in 4 homes. People could watch it spread. They had time to learn. When the internet came along, it took 7 years to reach that same point. And AI? It reached 100 million users in 5 days. 5. That's not adoption, that's a detonation. We used to say, the future is coming. But the truth is, the future is already here, and most people just haven't realized it yet. In the last 12 months, AI has rewritten what used to be entire careers. Customer service turned into chatbots, accounting to automation, copywriting to generative models. And here's the part that really shocks people. It's not stopping there. It's moving up the ladder fast. Law, finance, medicine, education, even management. Not because AI wants to replace us, but because data moves faster than humans can.
The more data it gets, the more patterns it sees. The more patterns it sees, the more decisions it can make. Cheaper, faster, and with no need for sleep. That's why this revolution feels different. It's not machines replacing muscles. It's intelligence replacing repetition. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If your work is built on predictable patterns, AI will eventually do it better. But that's not the end of the story, because the same pattern that replaces one job creates 3 new ones. We're just not trained to see them yet. The world doesn't need more people competing with machines. It needs humans who know how to think with them. So maybe the real question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, how fast can I learn to work with it? All right, let's keep going. Because the next part of the story is where everything starts to change. Not in the machines, but in us. So here's the truth. AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to give you back something far more valuable, your time. For decades, we've filled our days with repetition. Emails, reports, spreadsheets, meetings, things that make us busy but not alive. Now, machines can finally handle that part. But that doesn't make humans useless. It makes us limitless. Because what's left for us is the work that truly matters, the human work. Work that asks questions no algorithm can answer. Work that connects logic to emotion. Work that builds trust, creativity, and empathy, the things that actually move the world forward. That's not science fiction. That's the new economy. The World Economic Forum calls it the human-centered revolution. Jobs that combine people and technology are now the fastest growing in the world. Not coders, not engineers, thinkers, teachers, creators, people who know how to turn data into meaning. And that's exactly where your opportunity begins.
If you've been thinking about starting something with AI, maybe a YouTube channel, a business, or just working smarter, you're not alone. At SmartAiDigi, we create in-depth videos that make AI simple to understand and practical to use. Each episode explores real examples, smart workflows, and creative ways to apply AI in your daily work with no hype, just clarity and real value. And to help you get started, we've created a free AI starter kit with 224 prompts, 100 essential tools, and our complete master prompt guide. It's the easiest way to start your AI journey today. Grab your free resources at smartaidigi.com and subscribe to our channel. Join the creators who are learning to build smarter with AI.
All right, let's keep going. So now that you understand the shift, let's talk about where the real opportunities are appearing. Because while some jobs fade away, 3 powerful new worlds of work are growing faster than anyone expected. Let's break them down. 1. The human communicators. These are the teachers, the storytellers, the mentors, the creators. People who know how to speak human in a digital world. As AI grew smarter, it still needs people who can translate emotion into language, and language into understanding. Companies already use AI to generate content, but they still need human communicators to make that content feel. And in an age where attention is the new gold, empathy is the new currency. If you can explain, inspire, or simplify complex ideas, you'll always have a place in the future. 2. The new builders. These are the creators who don't wait for permission. Solo entrepreneurs, digital founders, people building entire businesses from their living rooms using AI as their silent team. They don't have departments, they have dashboards. One person with the right tools can now design, market, sell, and automate everything. We're entering an era of AI leverage, where an idea plus a laptop can scale faster than any startup in history. This is the rise of the one-person empire. You don't need to be rich. You just need to start.
3. The guardians of humanity. As AI grows more powerful, it also grows more dangerous, which means we need people who can teach machines to stay human. These are the AI ethicists, the empathy trainers, the digital safety mentors, people who make sure the next generation of AI reflects the best in us, not the worst. Because the stronger AI becomes, the more we'll need humans with heart. And here's the good news. Each of these fields is expanding right now. According to McKinsey and the World Economic Forum, careers that combine creativity, ethics, and technology are projected to grow by 30 to 40% by 2030. That means this is your moment. Not to fear the machines, but to lead them. So whether you want to teach, build, or protect, there's a place for you in this next chapter of work. And in the next video, we're going to show you exactly how to step into it, the step-by-step playbook for building your own AI-powered career. The link is in the description below. Watch it next, because the next 10 minutes could change how you think about work forever. Every revolution in history had one moment. The point when people realized they could either fear the change or become the change. That moment is now. You don't need to be a coder or a CEO or a genius with a lab coat. You just need curiosity and the courage to start. Because this time, the tools of creation are in your hands. The camera, the keyboard, the code, the conversation you're having right now with an AI. That's not a threat, that's power. And what you do with it will shape not just your future, but ours. Remember this, every major leap in history started with ordinary people who decided to learn the new language of their time. Fire, steel, steam, electricity, code. Today, that language is AI. Learn it, shape it, and you'll do more than survive. You'll lead. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The future doesn't belong to the ones who watch. It belongs to the ones who act.
Because if you're watching this right now, it means you're already ahead of 99% of the world. You're not behind, you're early. And if you found value in this video, hit subscribe. It's free, and it really helps our small channel grow, so we can keep bringing you content like this every single week. The link to your free SmartAiDigi AI Toolkit is in the description. Grab it, explore it, and start experimenting. Because the people who learn now will become the leaders of tomorrow. And that's exactly what we're building here. Not just a channel, but a movement. One that believes technology should serve humanity, not replace it. So ask yourself, are you waiting for the world to change? Or are you ready to help build what comes next? The choice is yours. Because this isn't just about AI. It's about the power inside you to adapt, to create, to lead, and to make this next era the most human one yet. Until next time, my friends, stay curious, stay brave, and as always, be legendary.
Want more game-changing AI tools like this? Hit follow, tag a friend, and drop the word tools in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.